Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all is well. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Ruma from USA. Today I'll show you some flower. This flower is really pretty and so beautiful, you can see. I like this flower so much and I use this kind of flower for decoration. This flower made by Jamiatul Jim's sister. She from Bangladesh and she made for me so many flower. I love her work. She did very good job with beads in crochet items. Thank you so much Jamiatul Jim's sister for giving me such a beautiful flower. So this flower is not for sale. This flower only for my personal use because I need to do something about my cloth. I put this flower to my cloth. It will be so beautiful and so uncommon. That's why this flower only for me, not for sale. I have a lot of tutorial in this flower and with beads, so if you want to know you can check my channel. And Jamiatul Jim's sister had a also YouTube channel, so you can check her YouTube channel too. She did very nice video, so if you want you can check her channel and subscribe her channel. This flower made by Noitar yarn, cotton yarn, so it's very nice and very good quality yarn. I like Noitar yarn, it's really pretty. So color you can see is purple, pink, sweet pink, peach and two big color, white and yellow. Both are nice. Every flower is so pretty, so colorful and so nice. I love this flower for decoration. So if you want to do decoration like tissue box, baby dress, you can put this flower. It will be more beautiful when you make decoration. And you can make this flower a hairband, baby clip, a lot of item you can make with this flower. So I need a lot of flower for decoration. I decorate tissue box, baby dress with this flower also. But if you know how to do the crochet, you can make it very easily and you can sell or you can use for your personal use, and you can make many items with this flower. Thanks for watching. Bye. Take care.